Are you looking to successfully transplant your plants but not sure how to begin? It's a common concern, this uncertainty surrounding the transplantation of our leafy friends. But worry not, we're here to guide you through this green endeavor. Well, you have come to the right place. Let's dive into it. First, understand why proper transplanting matters. It's a crucial step in a plant's life, affecting its growth and overall health. Successful transplantation promotes robust development, leading to vibrant, thriving plants. With careful steps, you can ensure a smooth transition for your beloved green friends. Now, let's break down the process of transplanting into easy, manageable steps. The first step is all about timing. Choose a time when the plant is in its dormant phase, typically early spring or late fall. Next, prepare the new pot or garden space. It should be roomy enough for new growth and filled with nutrient-rich soil. Now comes the delicate part, removing the plant from its current location. Be gentle and try to keep as much of the original soil around the roots as possible. Then, place the plant in its new location. Make sure it's planted at the same depth as it was in its original pot or ground. Lastly, aftercare is crucial. Water the plant thoroughly and continue to keep an eye on its moisture levels and sun exposure. Remember, patience is key. Your plant may take some time to adjust to its new home. Transplanting doesn't have to be stressful for you or your plants. To recap, remember that timing is crucial. You need to prepare the new home in advance, and it's important to handle your plants gently to avoid damaging them. Each step plays a vital role in ensuring your plant's successful transition. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!